Spicy. Has a strong, hot flavor like chili or pepper. I love spicy noodles. This curry is too spicy for the kids. Sour. Sharp, tangy taste like lemon or vinegar. The lemonade is too sour. I made a sour face after tasting the green apple. Smoky. Has a taste or smell like smoke or fire. The grilled chicken has a nice smoky flavor. I enjoy the smoky taste of barbecue ribs. Raw. Meaning, uncooked, in its natural, fresh state. I don't like eating raw meat. Sushi often includes raw fish. Sticky. Meaning, thick and glue-like, it clings to your fingers or mouth. The honey is very sticky. My fingers got sticky from the candy. Fizzy. Full of bubbles, sparkling or carbonated. This soda is very fizzy. She loves the fizzy taste of sparkling water. Crunchy. Meaning, makes a loud sound when chewed. The apples are fresh and crunchy. I love crunchy snacks like carrots. Chewy. Needs a lot of chewing. The bread is soft and chewy. This candy is too chewy for me. Sweet. Tastes like sugar or honey. This cake is so sweet and delicious. I like sweet tea with my breakfast. Salty. Tastes like salt. These chips are too salty for me. She added some salty soy sauce to the rice. Bitter. A strong, sharp taste that is not sweet. I took a sip of the black coffee, and it tasted really bitter. The medicine was so bitter, I needed water right away. Crispy. Thin and crunchy in a nice way. The fried chicken skin is crispy. I like crispy toast in the morning. Savory. Tastes rich and salty, not sweet. I prefer savory snacks like crackers. The soup has a savory flavor with herbs and garlic. tangy. A strong, slightly sour taste. The orange juice is tangy and refreshing. I like tangy barbecue sauce on my chicken. Creamy. Smooth and soft, like cream or butter. This ice cream is so creamy. The creamy soup was warm and filling. Juicy. Full of juice and flavorful. The orange is sweet and juicy. This steak is juicy and tender. Burnt. Tastes overcooked or charred, often unpleasant. The toast tastes burnt and bitter. I smelled something burnt in the kitchen. Ripe. Fully grown and ready to eat, sweet and juicy. The mango is ripe and delicious. Wait until the banana is ripe before eating it. Unripe. Not ready to eat, usually hard or sour. The unripe apple was too sour. Don't pick unripe tomatoes from the garden. Briny. Tastes salty, like seawater or pickled foods. The pickles were very briny and sour. I love the briny flavor of olives. Fermented. A sour, tangy flavor from foods that have been naturally preserved. Kimchi has a strong fermented taste. Yogurt gets its flavor from fermented milk. Cloying. Too sweet or rich, unpleasant because it's overly sugary. That candy was so cloying, I couldn't finish it. The cake was cloying after just one bite. Fresh. Recently made, picked, or prepared, not old or processed. I love fresh bread from the bakery. She used fresh herbs in the soup. Stale. Not fresh, old and dry. The bread is stale and hard to chew. Don't eat those stale crackers. Greasy. Oily or too full of fat. The pizza was greasy but tasty. I wiped the greasy fries with a napkin. Bland. Lacking flavor, plain. The rice was bland without sauce. This soup is too bland, add salt.